Hello and welcome to Karamat se Karamat, presented by Indian Culinary Forum and Karamat Foods. Today, let's create an Indian version of canapé using Karamat's makhni gravy. Let's start the recipe. By mixing the Karamat mix into 500 ml of water as instructed. As we have mixed the water with the gravy, let's allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the base of the canapé. Let's drizzle some oil. Cover it with a damp cloth and allow it to rest for more 20 minutes. Since the gravy has been resting from last 20 minutes, let's give it a mix and start cooking. Turn on the flame. Let's pour some oil so that the burger does not get burned. Add some ginger garlic paste. A teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Let's add the gravy. So I am having 150 grams of paneer. Let's cut them into pieces. Paneer pieces into the gravy. Let's add a teaspoon of honey. Let's add cream to the gravy. Let's throw some kasuri methis. Paneer is done and ready. Now let's chop some coriander. Let's keep some of them aside for the garnish. So the corianders have been chopped. Now let us get back to our dough. Let's quickly knead it once again. Let's make small roundels of it. Here I have made few roundels. Now put the tawa on the flame. So we are done and ready. Let me show you the texture. You can see the texture. It resembles the same as a naan, hollow from beneath and crisp from to the top. Basically, the idea was to give an Indian twist to the French classical au d'oeuvre. So here I'm having another mix from Karamat, the green chutney mix. So here's presenting to you my version of canapé.